I feel like I'm brushing this grill's teeth.
I know. It's all set for its checkup.
Grilling is a quintessential summertime activity, which means cleaning your grill is too, or at least it should be. It's a small chore with a big payoff, a smooth, gunk-free cooking surface that's actually more nonstick and makes your food taste better.
A good grill brush should be able to scrub the entire cooking surface, even those hard to reach corners and edges. It should work with minimal effort, and it should be durable enough to last for years without falling apart.
After hearing about availability issues with our previous winner, we set out to find a widely available grill brush that could efficiently clean both gas and charcoal grills. We tested 8 models priced from $5 up to $35 and rated them on performance, ease of use, and durability.
All of them got the job done, but only one of them made it easy. Here are the highlights. If you don't want to eat the leftover stuff that's been stuck on your grill grates since last time you grilled, you want to clean them before you drop the food. The food will taste cleaner and more flavorful, and you really get a good grill mark if it's got a clean grate.
All right, can you talk a little bit about why we tested on gas and charcoal?
So we want to make sure that any brush we recommend will work on both, because some people have both. You know? We want something that's going to work with every kind of grill, no matter what you have.
All right, we're doing burgers because they make a big old mess. It'd usually be a bummer to have a grill this dirty, but we are excited because we are ready to test our grill brushes. This one is Great Scrape Woody Shovel. What you're supposed to do is get the grill ripping hot, run this over and over and over and over the grate so you burn grooves into it that'll actually end up cleaning your grate.
How's it feel?
It gets stuck on the bars.
On the crossbars,
Yeah, because it's so firm.
It's cleaning the tops pretty well, but these are triangular shaped bars. And until that's burned in really deeply, the sides are still pretty dirty.
Gas and charcoal, they have different grate patterns, so you're gonna need 2 of these so they'll fit the 2 different grate patterns.
This is the Weber 12-inch grill brush.
Yep, triangular head, metal bristles.
How's that working for you?
Oh my God, look at that.
That's working pretty well.
Yeah, look how clean that just got it.
It's getting the sides even before you turn it.
Wow.
That seems to be getting in there.
Oh my God, look at, love the short bristles.
Yeah.
They are so good at scrubbing and getting in without asking me to like do gymnastics.
Okay, I've got the KONA. This is the one that has metal coils instead of bristles.
Not getting the sides as well as some of the other ones.
Yeah, if you don't really get in there and shove this thing down, nothing's happening. It's just scraping the top.
I don't feel as though it's getting down on the sides very well. Okay.
But they're getting stuck.
Yeah. So it's interesting. It gets down into the grate really
It's getting
well,
the sides.
but it totally gets stuck. A couple key factors affected the performance of the brushes. In general, we preferred those with bristles to those without. They were better at cleaning the grill grates. The bristles ranged from 1/2 inch all the way up to 2 inches long, and we preferred those with shorter bristles. They were better at cleaning and they didn't get stuck on the grates like the longer bristles did.
We also preferred brushes with triangular heads. The square and rectangular ones were okay, but the triangular ones really let us get between the grates with the corners.
So in sum, all of these could clean a grill grate. Some were just more thorough at it. All right, let's go to our second round, ease of use.
We're cooking chicken on both grates.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on. And the reason we chose barbecue sauce is it's got a lot of sugar in it. It's gonna make a big old sticky mess.
The sugar just burns and bubbles and sticks.
Chicken's beautiful, the grate is not. All that sugar burnt on there.
House of Horrors in there. Okay, I've got the Mr. Barbecue oversized grill brush, which they got that right. This thing is a beast, it's really heavy. It's got a knob on top that you're supposed to grab, I guess. All right, I'm a little worried about my hand here.
How do you feel about that handle?
It's very awkward. You have to push down on this for it to really work.
You don't have enough leverage, you're too far away. I don't love the scraper. I'm bumping in here and I can't get all that clean.
Yep, there's this little triangle beyond which you cannot pass. Ease of use for these grill brushes came down to a few key design elements.
First of all, 5 of the 8 brushes were equipped with metal scrapers. These can be used to scrape off really burnt on crud. And while we found them somewhat useful, that metal part prevents the brush from getting all the way to the edge of the grill grate, so you leave a swath of the grill unclean.
We also looked at the length of the handles. Now these range from 7 to 14 inches. And while the longer ones kept us farther away from the heat, the shorter ones really worked out better for us. They gave us better leverage and more agility to get in there and really scrub.
All right, now for our crucial final round, durability.
With each brush, we're going to go back and forth 200 times on gas and charcoal just to make sure that they really withstand hard work.
All right, I have the GRILLBADGER.
I have the next grill.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, this one had a baby.
Oh, man.
Or it has a nose. I'm not sure what that is. I don't want to know.
And this one got a little toasted, which the company says is a good thing because then if they fall out, they'll burn up, so they won't end up in your food. But doesn't bode well for the long-term durability of the brush. All right, 200.
200.
The Weber did a great job. Full marks for the Weber.
Yeah, this is the KONA, and those coils are tough as nails. So this is the one that has nylon bristles. It's only supposed to be used on a cooler grill. I think one of these little red guys is down there in the grill.
Oh yeah, I see it down there. We really want to make sure that none of these metal bristles are going to come out, so we're doing an extreme durability test. Lisa's going to scrape it across the cement 20 times. We're going to check for any loose bristles.
Okay, 1, 2, 20. Nothing on the sidewalk.
Yeah, none of the bristles came out. So we know it can happen, but did not happen in our testing.
Durability was a key test for us. And not only did we want to make sure that all of these brushes would last more than a few cleanings, but we wanted to make sure that any of the brushes that had bristles really kept their bristles and didn't leave any behind, because they can end up in your food. We also paid special attention to the brushes with metal bristles, because that's a safety concern.
None of the metal bristles fell out in our testing, but we definitely saw some durability issues. The nylon brush lost some bristles, and the steel wool brush began to unravel almost immediately.
Our winner is the Weber 12-inch grill brush. It has effective short metal bristles that really scrub. It's got a triangular head so we can get between the grill grates very effectively. It doesn't have a scraper, but that meant we could go all the way to the edge of the grill grate and clean every inch of the surface. Finally, the short handle really gives you great leverage and ability to get the grates clean, which leads to the real point of all this: better, tastier grilled food.
If you have concerns about metal bristles, we recommend the KONA Safe Clean Bristle-Free Grill Brush. It has metal coils instead of bristles, but it did effectively clean both gas and charcoal grills, which certainly might be worth it for peace of mind.
Now, for more information on our winning grill brush and all the other products we tested, check out the links below.
Make sure to send us your equipment questions in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.